Okay, so today's question is minimum operations to make array sum divisible by k. You are given an integer array nums and an integer k. You can perform the following operation any number of times. Select an index I and replace nums of I with nums of I minus 1. Return the minimum number of operations required to make the sum of array divisible by k. Okay, so you are given an integer array nums and integer k. Okay, you can perform an operation in this array, and operation is that we can replace nums of I by nums of I minus 1. Okay. And we want to find how much time the operation should be performed in this array to get the sum of array divisible by k. Okay. So if we could see an example here. See, this 3 plus 9 plus 7 should be equals to 3 plus 9 plus 7 will be 3 plus 9 12 plus 7 19. So 19 divided by k, not possible. Okay. No, not possible now. So what we can do, we can subtract 4 from 19 to get 15, and 15 is divisible by k, right? Yes or no? It is divisible by k. Okay. So we got the 5 as, sorry, 4 is our answer, right? So we have to do this. Okay. So for this, what we can do here simply, we can find the sum and we will decrease the sum by 1 unit, and we will return the number of times we are decreasing it by 1, and when it will be equals to the k, even when it will equals even it will be divisible by k, we will return the count. Okay, simple. So for this, first we have to find sum. So uh, in sum equals to 0. Okay, and for auto el, this nums will write sum plus equals to this el. Okay, and I will write while, or yes, while this sum is not divisible by. Okay, so when this sum is not divisible by this k, just write sum minus minus and initial count, right? So sum minus minus and count plus plus, and initiate will initiate this count also. Okay, and we'll return the count variable. Okay, very simple question, I guess. See, quite easy question. Okay, so I hope you all got to know how to do this question. Okay, so thank you.